Washington, D.C. once again. At 11 a.m. at Lehigh Valley International Airport, under partly sunny skies, the temperature was 60 degrees.
The current time is 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
The Allentown, Pennsylvania climate summary for yesterday, April 14th, 2015. Yesterday's high temperature was 65 degrees. This high was 4 degrees above the normal high of 61. The record high is 86 degrees, which was set in 1941. Yesterday's low temperature was 46. This low was 8 degrees above the normal low of 38. The record low is 23 degrees, which was set in 1950. The mean temperature was 56 degrees, and was 7 degrees above the normal of 49. 0.04 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 0.70 inches. This is 1.00 inches below the normal amount of 1.70 inches for April. The total precipitation for the season now stands at 5.17 inches, which is 0.08 inches above normal. The total precipitation for the year is now 9.72 inches, which is 1.10 inches below normal. No snow fell yesterday. The total snowfall for the year still stands at... Receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal are normally conducted by the...
This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Hazard Warning Device for station KIH28 WXM60. During the potentially dangerous weather situation, specially filter receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and various areas in the state of Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania, first 6 months. Delaware, where the area is still very smoking material. Those with special emergencies, lost situation, one living sales, in Delaware, including the Delaware Bay, this concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio Hazards. Station KIH28 Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Hazards.
Low tide is a...
Tests of this signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Montgomery, Lancaster, and Lebanon. In Delaware, Newcastle, and in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Station WNG704 in High Bernie Park, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. This is NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards for southeastern Pennsylvania and the nearby areas of northeastern Maryland and Delaware. Station WNG704 from High Bernie. Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. Here is the regional weather synopsis.